Are you looking for a way to relax and de-stress after a long, hard day? Well, this is a tool and a technique that I use that works wonders for me, and I know it can do the same for you. So stay tuned. Hi, it's your girl Jay, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing, something that I love to do. And if you love unboxings as much as I do, feel free to go ahead and like this video so that I know to keep videos like this coming. Go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you be informed when videos like this and others are uploaded. So let's dive in. I'm not a big shopper, so I love getting things in the mail. And most of the times I order different things, so I kind of forget what, what I ordered, so I really don't know what's going on and what's in here. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. So I hope your day is going absolutely amazing. I like the fact that it's bubble wrapped, so whatever is in this bag is going to be protected. I like that. Let's see. Okay. All right, so what I have is, well, it looks like it did get a little damaged, or at least the box did. It says vitagood. Here, it's two of them in here, so let me get the other one. I can read it. Okay, this box is pretty good. So it is a vitagood scalp massage and shampoo brush, vibrating scalp massager. It says that it's invigorate your scalp and enjoy the enhanced benefits of cleansing with the vitagood scalp massage and shampoo brush. This simple device uses gentle vibrations through soft rubber bristles to soothe and rejuvenate your scalp. Oh my goodness, I don't know about y'all, but it feels nothing better than having a good scalp massage. And washing my hair and doing it is great, especially when when you go to the hairstylists and their hands are in your scalp. Okay, so it says, designed for in-shower use, the massager fits perfectly in your hand and can be used with shampoo or other hair products for a luxurious washing experience. All right, I like that. So I do remember this was, they had a special where you can get 2 for 1. I've actually had this in my car. You know how you have your wish list on Amazon or whatever, you have it for a while. But you're like, I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, I don't know. And I've seen it on different ads, so I eventually wound up buying it. And I got it in green. They did have different colors. I think it was like purple and pink. No, I don't think it was purple. I think it was pink. Anyway, it was another colors. I'll make sure I'll link it down in the box if you're interested in getting it. But I was looking at it for a while because, I do love a scalp massage, and the fact that this can do it for me. And it seemed like, especially for hair growth, promoting hair growth, you do want to massage the scalp. I usually do it with oil in my hair, and it just really helps promote hair growth, but also it's just the most soothing thing ever. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see if I can use this without shampoo. Okay, let's see how it looks first glance. All right, so these are kind of, oh, this is cute. It's kind of hard, but it still it's soft. And it's kind of, I think you can just put it through your hands like this and rub it in. Well, that do kind of feel good. I feel like I can just put some oil in my scalp and do this while I don't really watch TV as much, but if I'm watching YouTube or something. Oh, that does feel kind of good. Now, I don't know. I guess, you know what? If you do this with shampoo in your hair, it will actually do a deep cleanse so that your scalp gets really cleansed. Oh, that feels good. Okay. So it says that it's vibrating. So let's see, is it on? Does it come with batteries? Oh, no. The good thing, it doesn't come with batteries, I see, but they do give you this small screwdriver, which is good because who has this little small baby screwdriver? But I'm glad this little small detail really is everything, because you'll find you buy things from the store and they have the smallest little screwdriver and you're like, well, what the heck am I supposed to do with this? Now it takes you weeks to open it. So I like that little touch. Let's see what type of battery they use. 1AA. Okay, that works. I can use my remote right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and see. All right, so it has a little button here. I'm assuming that is what makes it start. I like the, I guess, erogenous design or something. It's really simple to hold in your hand. So you just twist the handle from the lock position and it opens up. Pretty cool. So that's the inside of that. And I guess it stops the shampoo from going into the lock battery compartment. Although this just came apart in my hand, so I'm hoping that's what that's supposed to do. Yeah, let's hope so. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and unlock the battery compartment. Now, I do like the fact that it's covered so that if I'm using this underwater, I'm not putting myself in a situation where, you know, you can get electrocuted or anything like that. The battery compartment is completely covered. All right, and it's not taking long to actually open this at all. It's going very smoothly. Open, and you just pull it down. So that's the inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my battery out the remote. Okay, and go ahead and put a AA battery in there. Oh, it's already vibrating. I feel it. Okay, let me put it on pause. Okay, let me lock it back up. Okay, so close it up. And I don't know if you can hear it. Actually, Now, I have to say, I think me just doing it long is probably a little, I don't want to say better. I don't really see the difference with the vibration. I guess maybe over time. I mean, I can definitely feel it vibrating. But I don't know what the vibrating is doing. I don't know if the vibration helps with the shampoo or not. I do like, as I feel like just right now using it, it feels good. And I don't think I'm always use this in the shower. So far, I'm glad I didn't like rush to buy it, but I do think that it may be a good tool in my arsenal. I don't know if I would need two. I might get this away or something, we'll see. But I do feel like this is a good massage right here with some oil in your scalp. Oh, yeah. I do feel like that would be good. And you can do this anywhere. And I mean, if I wouldn't really travel with this because it's kind of heavy. I wouldn't want to weigh this down in my bag. But if I'm sitting home just chilling, doing a nice little scalp massage or talking on the phone, you know, or in a meeting or something that you don't have to be seen, I could definitely do this. And I do feel like if you have, like, anybody who have, like, a lot of dandruff, anybody who has a lot of dandruff, this will help loosen up your dandruff, too. That's how I feel. That's what I'm seeing. Okay. So, I mean, overall, I think I'm going to give it a 6 or 7 right now. I'll tell you how I feel. Maybe I'm going to have to give it a 7. Because it does feel good on my scalp. I don't like how my box got a little damaged. But it's okay. The item itself is not damaged. So, I'm not going to be mad at it. I feel like, though, if you have a migraine or a headache, because I do get headaches sometimes, I feel like this will help soothe my headache when I put some like tea tree oil and peppermint oil and just rub this on my scalp. I think this will. All right, so thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this review of just a simple massage scalper or a scalp massager. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, or do you have a scalp massager? Would you like to have one? You know, do you feel as though it's something that's worth it? Actually, this was really inexpensive. I think I got this for like $12. Yeah, I think I got 2 of them for $12 or $15. It was really inexpensive. So I'll put the, I put the link. I know it was on sale, but I put the link down in the description. That way you have if it's something that you're interested in. And like I said, it did come with different colors. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Laugh, love, live life to the fullest. And don't forget to live your passion. Bye. A 4-month update. I don't use this tool every night. I use this tool whenever I feel stressed and overwhelmed, and I feel like I've been, thinking about certain things and it's just been on my mind and I just need a break. And what I do is I use this at night. I don't use it during the day. I use it at night, right before I go to sleep, literally while I'm in bed. And if my hair is in its curly state, I just put some oil in my scalp and I use it and rub it around. But if my hair is down like it is now, because it will make your roots thick, I make sure I have my scarf and my hair is wrapped and I just use it on top of my scarf. It makes me so relaxed. It feels so good on the second vibration, not on the first one, but the second tone. And every time I use it, when I wake up the next morning, first of all, I've been in REM sleep, so I'm always dreaming, and I don't dream every night, so I always tell the difference. That's how I know when I use it. And then when I wake up, I feel like whatever I felt overwhelmed or whatever I was stressed about, I feel rejuvenated. Like, I feel like, okay, I can take on whatever else is going on, think about it differently, and be able to get through whatever it was. On top of that, it's like a 3-for. It helps also with hair growth, promoting hair growth. And whenever I have a migraine, I use it on the first setting with some peppermint or eucalyptus oil or tea tree oil. And I do use a carrier oil for that, like coconut oil or olive oil or jojoba oil, and I rub it on my scalp lightly if I have a migraine, and it really, on my pressure points too, and it really helps alleviate my migraine. So I hope that this helps you the way it has helped me in so many different ways. I didn't even think that I would be able to use it for those different things, but it really does make a difference, and I enjoy doing it at night. It only takes like maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes at max, and then I'm like ready to nod off. And then you could do it while you're watching TV or whatever, but it really does help me, so I hope it helped you.